Cryptocurrency is a crazy space to be a part of. It's been called the Wild West of the investment world, and for good reason. One day prices are through the roof and the next day vanish into thin air. All the time, resources and money invested, now gone. It throws even the most talented traditional investors into a frenzy as they scramble to make sense of what is happening. It's a common narrative we hear, and you see, what they don't understand is that this is just the beginning of a financial revolution. Cryptocurrency is the currency of the future. Hi, my name is Brandon. I'm the CEO and host of the Orange Brick Road podcast, a show about cryptocurrency by cryptocurrency experts for people interested in cryptocurrency. Here we explore the crazy world of crypto and how it is reshaping the traditional way we do finance. Listen and be inspired by the journey of pioneers in the crypto space and how they've leveraged digital currencies for themselves and how it has changed their understanding of finance. So, if you're interested in completely retraining the way you think about money and future-proofing yourself financially, join us. And be warned, this podcast will change you. Subscribe on whatever place you listen to your podcasts.